Well, it looks like snow will ease on Sunday, but until then, we won't see any significant improvement. We will see more snowfall. Some areas has seen about 70 centimeters over the past 24 hours. So heavy snow is pounding many places of Japan, from Hokkaido down towards Kyushu. I want to share more pictures looking at heavy snowfall, particularly over the Hokuriku region. This is the city of Niigata. Nearly 70 centimeters of snow is on the ground. That's 10 times higher than normal. This is what's happening. Strong cold air is hitting the mountain over North Korea, and the cold stream separates into two, and then it merged over the Sea of Japan, and clouds develop, and the developed snow clouds are hitting the Hokuriku region, including Niigata Prefecture. Now, again, there is 70 centimeters of snow on the ground in Niigata, 65 centimeters in Ishikawa, and in fact, due to heavy snowfall earlier this week or earlier this month, we've got tons of snowfall already across northern Japan, nearly 2.6 meters in the Tohoku region. Now, still an additional 70 centimeters of snow is expected over the Hokuriku region and surrounding areas. That will be combined with thunderstorms, so dangerous weather will likely continue. The coldest year of the season is blanketing many places of Japan. In fact, 90% of the country saw freezing morning today, and due to the cold weather, we saw small hail falling over the southern areas of Japan in Okinawa. Now, we will see cold weather gripping most part of Japan as we go into the next couple of days. Tokyo's morning low could be minus 2 degrees on Saturday. It could be the coldest morning of the season, so do bundle up. And as we go into next week, it's going to be pretty warm, so that may cause flooding and avalanches. Yes, unlike most part of Japan, it's mostly dry across China as well as the Korean peninsula, but frigid air is gripping many places. We are looking at quite low temperatures, especially in the morning hours. Now, the capital of South Korea had minus 15 degrees Celsius this morning, and parts of northern China had the morning low of minus 40 degrees or so. So shivering cold weather is gripping many parts of the country, but again, thanks to a couple of high-pressure systems, it was dry. Now, temperatures are going to be on the rise as we go into the weekend, so that's good news. Seoul's high 2 degrees on Saturday, so finally getting out of the freezing mark, and then even warming up to 6 degrees on Monday. That's warmer than the average for this time of year. And Pyongyang minus 3 up to 2 degrees on Sunday. And as we reported earlier, Tokyo's high will be in the double digits as we go into next week. Now, in the south, there is a tropical disturbance near the Malay Peninsula. This system is a very slow-moving system. We will see heavy rainfall at least into early next week. Some areas like Singapore and Malaysia may see up to 500 millimeters rain, especially in the mountainous locations that may cause landslides. Now, across North America, earlier this week, significant floods and also mudslides took place in Los Angeles, killing at least 17 people, and still more than 40 people are missing. The same system is now affecting the eastern United States and eastern Canada with freezing precipitation. We are talking about freezing rainfall, heavy snowfall, and also icy precipitation. Now, back behind it, as you can see, the pressure gradient is pretty tight, so very cold northerly winds are moving in. So that is pushing down temperatures quite significantly, and many areas will see significant snowfall as well. Now, we will see quite low temperatures once again in Canada, minus 22 degrees for the high on Friday. With strong winds, you could feel much colder than this actual number. And then cold air is now shifting towards the south, approaching the northern areas of the United States, minus 3 degrees in Chicago. But as opposed to that, thanks to the nice southerly winds, temperatures are pretty good across the eastern United States. It's more like spring in Washington, D.C., but it'll come to an end soon. Now, within the next couple of days, the high will be only minus 2 degrees in Washington, D.C. on Sunday. So watch out for the significant change in temperatures.